Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Adab to all the viewers. Today me and my team members are here to talk you related to budget. I would like to tell you that I, Tanish Khanna, gives you the brief introduction about budget and its importance. Piyush is going to tell you about the objectives of budget. Khushbu is going to tell you about the types of budget. Aftab is going to tell about components of budget. Nisha is going to tell you about the impacts of budget, and at last Harsh is going to tell you about the elements of budget. Let's start. So let's we talk about the budget. A budget is an estimation of revenue and expenses over a specified future period of time and is usually complied and reevaluated on periodic basis. Or we can say in simple language for understanding that it's a plan about how you spend your money each month. After knowing what is budget, we shall move to importance of budget. Though budget do not assure 100% success in an economic stability, however, it helps to bypass failure. A budget is a tool that transfers a general idea into a productive action oriented and an aspiration goal. It acts as a divide that identifies and focuses on the development of an unprivileged person. It provides a benchmark in evaluating success or failure in achieving and provides suitable improving measures.
Objective of government budget: reallocation of resources. It helps to distribute the resource keeping view the social and the economic advantage of the country. The factors that influence the allocation of resources are allowance, taxes, concessions. The government gives the allowance and tax concessions to manufacturers to increase investment, direct production and the services. The government can take the production process directly in if the private sector does not show any interest. Minimize inequality in income and wealth in an economic system. Income and wealth inequality is an integral part, so the government aims to bring equality by imposing tax on the elite class and spending extra on the well-being of the poor. Economic stability. The budget is also utilized to avoid the business fluctuations to accomplish the aim of financial stability. Policies such as difficult budget during the deflation and excess budget during the inflation assist in the balancing price of the economy.
Types of budget. The budget is divided into three types. First, balanced budget, second, surplus budget, and third, deficit budget. First, balanced budget. A government budget is assumed to be balanced if the expected expenditure is similar to anticipated receipts for a fiscal year. Second, surplus budget. A budget is said to be surplus when the expected revenue surpass the estimated expenditure for a particular business year. Here, the budget becomes surplus when taxes imposed are higher than the expenses. Third, deficit budget. A budget is on deficit in the expenditure surpasses the revenue for a designated year.
Components of budget. The budget is classified into two segments. First, revenue budget. The revenue budget contains revenue, expenditure, and receipts. In this receipt, both tax revenue such as excise duty, income tax, and non-tax revenue like profit, interest receipts are recorded. Second, capital budget. The capital budget includes the capital receipts such as disinvestment, borrowing, and lengthy capital expenditure, for instance, long-term investments, creation of assets. Capital receipts are government liability or decreased financial assets such as recovery of loans, market borrowing, etc.
Impact of the budget. A budget influencing society in three steps. First step, it improves the aggregate finance process by controlling expenditure, give the number of revenue. Second step, it allocates resources on a nation on a foundation of social properties. Third step, it comparing efficient a provided program to deliver goods and service goods.
Elements of a government budget. The main elements of a budget are: first, it determines government expenditure and receipts. Second, budget is estimated for a fixed period, typically for a year. Third, investment and sources of finance are prepared with the objectives of the government. Fourth, all the budget needs to pass by assembly or parliament before implementing.